Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing a seriously powerful and sleek pre-built gaming PC, the MSI Aegis Z2 gaming desktop. Right pointing finger emoji. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below for the latest deals, detailed specs, and availability. Gear emoji, specs rundown. What's inside the beast? Let's start with the hardware, and honestly, it's impressive. CPU, AMD Ryzen 7700 to 8 cores, 16 threads of Zen 4 power. This chip handles modern games, multitasking, and even some content creation like a champ. GPU, NVIDIA Geforce RTX 4060, great for high-performance 1080p and 1440p gaming, with ray tracing and DLSS support for next-gen visuals. RAM, 16GB DDR5, fast, responsive, and future-proof. You can always upgrade later if needed. Storage, 1TB of M.2 SSD, super fast boot times, game loads, and app launches. Power supply, 80+ gold certified PSU, reliable and efficient power delivery for stable long-term use. Connectivity, built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, plus a solid selection of USB ports. Extras, comes with a keyboard and mouse so you're ready to plug in and play right away. Video game emoji, performance, real-world gaming tests. This setup isn't just good on paper, it delivers in real-world use too. Here's what you can expect in popular titles. Call of Duty, Warzone, 100+ FPS on high settings at 1080p. Cyberpunk 2077, smooth gameplay at 1440p with DLSS enabled. Elden Ring, Baldur's Gate 3, gorgeous visuals and stable frame rates. Fortnite and Valorant, competitive FPS performance with low latency. Thanks to the combo of DDR5 RAM, a speedy SSD, and the RTX 4060, load times are fast and multitasking is smooth, even if you're gaming while streaming or editing video in the background. Hammer and wrench emoji, build quality and DIY-friendly design. One of the best things about the Aegis Z2 is how DIY-friendly it is. Unlike a lot of pre-built systems, MSI actually makes it easy to get inside the case. Want to add more RAM or upgrade your GPU down the line? No problem. The internal layout is clean, cable management is solid, and airflow is well optimized. Green circle emoji, what we love. Strong gaming performance at 1080p and 1440p. Fast DDR5 RAM and snappy SSD. Quiet and efficient operation. Modern, sleek design with subtle RGB. Easy to upgrade in the future. Comes ready out of the box with Windows 11 Home, keyboard, and mouse. Red circle emoji, what could be better? RTX 4060 is solid, but may be stretched in some 4K titles. Included peripherals are basic, great for starting out, but serious gamers might want to upgrade. White check mark emoji, final verdict. The MSI Aegis Z2 gaming desktop is a fantastic choice for gamers and power users looking for a balanced, high-performance system that's ready to go from the moment you plug it in. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just need a fast, capable PC for everyday use, this rig offers excellent value for its specs, and with its upgrade-friendly design, it's built to last. Thumbs up emoji, if you're looking for a reliable, stylish, and high-performing gaming desktop in 2024, the Aegis Z2 should absolutely be on your shortlist. Right pointing finger emoji, check the link below to get the latest price and see if it's in stock, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.